What's up guys, I'm Zain and today I'm going to show you how to fix OmeTV camera not working. Now the first thing you can do is to actually check your internet connection. So if you are using a Wi-Fi, make sure that the connection is very strong, and you can also use LAN internet instead of using the Wi-Fi. Now the second thing is to make sure that you do not turning on any VPN, because this will also lead to the same problem. And if you are having a VPN on your PC, try to close it correctly. So try to close it from the task manager itself, or if you are using a VPN on your browser like an extension, you can close the VPN extension. And the third thing that can also cause the same problem is to simply using any extension that interfere with using OmeTV. So some extensions may make this problem, so you can try to disable all the extensions that you have and see which one causes the problem and avoid using it while using OmeTV. And you can also try to use another browser. If you are using Chrome, try to use Microsoft Edge or Brave or any other browser. And that is it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you in a new video.